I've walked the road of hearts and ties, where truth reveals through patient eyes. The weight of love, the test of time, teaches grace in every line. Bound by promise, steady and clear, love that grows through every year. Not built in haste, but formed by care. A bond that time will not impair. I've learned that strength is soft and real, the kind that trust and truth can heal. Through distant storms and quiet pain, love endures, its roots remain. Partnerships are sacred ground, where loyalty and truth are found. Each vow a seed, each choice a flame, building a legacy through name. Bound by promise, steady and clear,